Dear Dr. Waters, we are taking the liberty of asking you to address our graduates on Monday, 29th January, our principal and teachers, as well as the graduates, would be proud to have you deliver an address, We know that what you would tell us as the principal speaker on our program would be remembered by all our graduates for many years to come, New paragraph. We know that you have many calls to speak, and that your time is exceedingly valuable, but we feel that you will be glad to talk to us if you possibly can, We trust that you will be able to accept, Yours truly,